Okay, Akshat, should we start with the interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Can you write an array?
Okay. Array of.
Any five elements. Okay, if you want to filter the elements, a different set of elements which is greater than 3, how will you do it?
Okay. So basically in JavaScript there is a filter function with the help of which under some certain conditions we can filter the data.
Yeah, go ahead with the
Mm.
filter method. So before going ahead to the filter, if we use
Yes,
find method, and
yes, sir.
with the condition greater than 3, what
Hmm.
it will happen?
Mm,
Have you used find method?
so not exactly,
You
but
haven't heard of find method?
so I have heard of the find method, which
Okay.
is used to find a particular element from an array.
Okay.
And yes, if we give the
Okay,
condition
no,
of.
okay. We'll go it with later, but just first complete the filter function and then we will see.
Okay, basically
We want elements greater than 3.
greater than 3.
Yes.
It is not accepting the return. So actually, I have not used the filter method, but if you say I can do it with the map method or something.
With the help of map method, you will like you will get the elements greater than 3.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure on this? Like with the help of map method, you will get the elements greater than 3.
Yes, sir, I'm sure.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, Akshat, are you typing?
Yes, sir.
I guess it's been stuck. Yeah, you can do your hide. It is there in the bottom. In the bottom as well. Yeah.
Okay.
So it is returning elements greater than 3.
Okay. So actually it is checking the number.
Yeah,
Like while iterating on the first element, 1 is greater than 3, which is false.
yeah,
So it is returning the Boolean value.
yeah. That's that I know. But you were telling that with the help of map method we can bring out the elements greater than three. So that's why I asked you.
No, sir.
So filter method,
Pardon.
what's issue was happening with the filter method?
So it was showing the some error in the return.
Yeah, but you haven't checked the error.
So like num is not initialized something.
Can you go remove that map method and do filter?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Now I was saying about the find method. Okay. So find method, as you said, it will return the element. So, but if we put
Yes.
here find method with the condition num greater than 3, what it will happen? As you know, find method it will return the element. It will return
Yes, sir.
the element. So,
Um,
if we use here find method, what it will return as an output?
so maybe Boolean.
Maybe boolean.
Yes.
So find method boolean. So map method. So map method, why it brought the boolean values?
So it was like we were comparing the two elements. So the comparison operators usually gives the Boolean values as a result.
So here also you have used the comparison condition greater than 3.
Mm.
But
So it
then,
is due to some,
yeah, yeah.
yes, it is due to the methods like,
Yeah, so the okay. Now it is due to the methods. Now find method is also a different one.
yes.
So it can't be similar to the map method.
Mm.
Any idea?
No, sir.
Okay, no worries, no worries. That's fine. Uh okay. Can you tell me the difference between let, var and const?
Sure. So basically, var is a function scope variable or maybe a global scope variable, and lat and const is a block scope variable.
Okay,
In in terms of redeclaration, we can redeclare var and lat, and whereas lat and const are the function sorry, block scope.
okay,
And in terms of redeclaration, we can we can reassign the values to let and var, whereas we cannot reassign the values to const.
okay,
We cannot change the value of const.
okay.
And,
A-
um, so,
and hosting.
in terms of hoisting, where is hoisted to the all the three variables are hoisted, but
Okay,
in case of where is hoisted and is initialized with the undefined,
undefined.
whereas let and yes, whereas let and const are not.
So if we it won't initialize, so what error it will throw?
In terms of let and const,
Yes,
uh, they are not initialized.
they are not initialized. Not the exact. I was expecting the exact error. So if you
Like a
write,
reference error.
yep, yep, okay, that's fine. Yes, okay, fine. Any other difference, you know?
Mm.
Okay, no worries, no
So
worries,
basically,
no worries, no worries. Okay. Have you done infinite currying?
yes, sir.
Okay, can you show me an example of infinite currying?
Okay. So basically, we have a function with some name. a and have a parameter a, which returns the function and function b. Wait,
I want addition of 7 numbers.
7 numbers.
Yes.
Okay. So function a returns function b. Can I run?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. What do you think? What error is there?
So it is accepting only two values a and b. After that, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is not considering that.
Why is it so?
So maybe because of the parameters.
Firstly, change the function names. Write some. It is difficult to understand. There are a variables as well. You have used, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So, what things you think there is some issue? Do you think you should be passing a variable inside the sum function?
Yes, sir. I needs the parameter
Yes. Then
a and b.
okay.
Sum is not a function.
What is return a plus b outside the what it is doing? You have written a plus b, return a plus b after the if
Yes, sir.
condition. So what it is doing?
So it is doing the addition in this function.
Yes. So return a plus b will only add a plus b,
Yes.
or the function calling should be there. I'm just asking.
So no idea.
I have given you the hint. That's it.
Yes. Function calling. So here,
Now I can't give it. Now it's up to you. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So Okay, now tell me like what logic you have used here. What's the if condition is doing?
If condition is so if condition is doing that, if uh, mm, if we have not passed any argument here, so it will exit the function.
Okay, it will exit the function. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Uh, fine. You can comment or remove this out. Uh, okay. Write an object. Write any object with xyz abc whatever. Okay, that's when obj equals to. You can write scope. Uh, write sum 200.
Um,
Sum, that is a key, 200. Yes, that's it. That's it. That's for the object. And outside the object, write console log of obj.sum. Then on the next line, write delete obj.sum space obj.sum.
without some.
And on the next line, write uh, console log of again obj.sum, and tell me what will be the output and why.
So here I think here we have not performed the delete operation. So here we'll get the output as 200.
Okay,
And in this case, uh, delete returns basically delete returns the boolean value. So we are deleting the object dot sum. So it will give us the true.
delete returns boolean value.
Yes, either the property is deleted or not.
Either the property is deleted or not. Okay, go ahead with this.
So wait, wait. We are not we are the object dot sum. So here we'll get some error
Error. Why error?
like this. Because we have deleted the
We have deleted the sum. So what's the
sum
error?
property. So
What's the error?
error will be like sum is not defined. Maybe sum is not present in the object.
Okay, so with the help of delete operator, some property will get removed.
Deleted, remove. Yes.
So what will be the output there? It will be the error that some property is not there.
If
If
some
something
property
if something is not there and you print something that, then what it will give you?
so, if we had printed the object, so it is supposed to be a blank object, but we are passing the object dot sum. In this case, maybe we'll get the false that the property is not present.
Okay, show me the output.
Undefined. Okay.
What do you think? What has happened here?
Uh, Defined.
Okay, fine. You can remove this out. Can you show me an example for array destructuring?
Okay. Array destructuring.
Yes. We can write this.
Mm, yes, sir, we can.
Okay, go ahead.
So I know the concept of destructuring, but I'm not sure about the syntax.
Okay, so you haven't used destructuring anywhere.
No, sir, not yet.
See, there is a array destructuring and there is a object destructuring. So
Object
first
is,
tell me which kind of destructuring you are trying to do.
sir, that's what I'm saying. Like, I do not
Okay,
have the idea of,
you are not okay, fine, fine.
yes.
No worries. Can you show me an example for rest parameters? How we use it? Any example?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Don't run this. Don't run this. Yeah, this is the example.
Mm, yes.
Okay, so what you are doing here?
So I've created the function named as my fun and pass the parameter as a comma b, and then call the my function and then passing the arguments 1 2 3 4 5, where I'll get the value of a as 1 and rest will be stored in the b, like 2 3 4 5.
Which is the rest parameter?
So this is the rest parameter.
Okay, if we write after triple dot b, write comma c, what it will happen?
So we cannot use the rest parameter in the middle.
Okay.
We can only use it in the end.
Uh, can we use in the start?
No, sir, only the end.
Okay, okay, great. Okay, fine. Now remove this c. No, do control
Okay,
C.
remove the C.
Yes. Tell me the output here.
So I need to change something. Can I?
Like that's fine. You can change it. Just whatever you have written, what can be the output? That's it. I want that's.
So here the function should return something. So I
Yeah,
forgot
that's
to
fine.
add the.
If it is not returning any, like you haven't written you haven't write the return keyword and anything else. So what now, what
Yes.
it will print? You have got the code, and if you, if it is told that what it will be the output, so what it can be, or what it will be.
So in this code,
Yes,
so so this will print hello only.
it will print hello.
Yes,
Can you clear the output
because
here? Just clear the out. Yes, it will print hello. That's it.
yes, sir. Because we are not returning A and B.
Okay, so it will print hello.
Yes,
Okay, run
B
this.
from hello or
Uh,
and undefined.
right.
Yes,
If you don't return anything, and if you are okay, remove that console log.
from here.
Yes, yes, you have to remove this. Uh, in inside the function, right? Console log of,
Yes.
no, no, no.
Next line.
Next line, yes. Console log of b, and tell me the output.
Console log of B.
Yes, tell me the output.
Console log of B. So here it will show the B is not no.
Haven't you passed b?
So I have passed B
Then,
and
then what will be
B
the issue?
is here. Console dot log of B. Sir, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. Yes.
That's the only thing it will print. Can you clear the output now first? Yes. Tell me what will be the output.
Sir,
Or
2, 3, 4, 5.
that's it?
Hello and 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes.
Okay, that's it.
Mhm. Yes.
Okay, okay. Hello and 2 3 4 5. Okay, right. On the next line, right? Return A, return A, and on the next line, right? Console log of A plus B, console log of A plus B, and my function calling, at my function where you are calling, you have to write console log. No, not there. Wonderful. Yeah, right. Console log. Yes, and tell me the out.
A. So first the first thing is anything which is written after the return keyword will not be executed.
Okay,
So console dot log A plus B has no meaning in the function.
okay,
So the output will be hello.
okay.
uh, Hello 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 1.
Hello, 2 3 4 5, and then 1.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, fine.
Can
Okay.
I run or
Yeah, it's correct. Okay. Okay, you can comment this all out. Okay. Uh, write console log of my marks is, my marks marks is right after the colon, right, comma, marks. Only marks, yep. And then on the next line, right, marks is equals to 400. And just copy and paste on the next line as well, that console log. Yes, you have to on the after marks. Yes, tell me the output. Okay,
So in the 10th line, marks will be uh,
will be
um, undefined.
undefined. Arisha,
So, marks equals to 400 we are declaring in the next line, but we are not using any variables or less const. So yes, the 10th line must be undefined or maybe not initialized.
not
Not initialized
initialized.
will,
So
yes,
if it
marks
is
are not
not
initial.
initialized, so value will be undefined. Am I right?
Yes.
So you mean to say
Mm,
undefined?
yes, undefined will be the output for the first one.
Okay, undefined and
And for the second one, 400 will be the output.
400. Okay. And if we write var, then marks. Yes, if we
Here,
define var,
same output.
same output. Okay, okay. Let var let it be. Okay, run this.
Marks is not defined.
Okay. If we don't write var any keyword with a variable, then it
Yes.
they are not hosted.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Write, just write let. Yep. Let. Clear the output and tell me the output.
So here the output will for the line number 10 output will be marks is not initialized.
Mark is not initialized. It means
Yes.
undefined.
No, sir, not initialized.
Not
Um,
initialized means undefined.
okay. Yes. No. Wait.
While telling the concept, hosting concept, you told me
Yes.
definition, right? Okay, so I just want
Yes.
to remind you that, and on the basis of that, you can let me know what will be the output.
Okay. So, hmm. So marks is not initialized. The error it will throw an error as like a reference error.
Okay, you can remove this hollow. Can you tell me the difference between null and undefined?
Uh, Null and undefined.
Yes.
So both refers to an empty value. Yes, but the uh, the thing is the in case of null, we manually initialize the variable as null. But
Okay.
in case of undefined, if we do not pass any value to a variable like we saw in the case of a
So
before,
compiler will tell.
like, yes,
Okay.
undefined.
Okay, fine. Now write two functions. Write some function. Okay, one. Okay, fine. Fine. Inside the one function, write console log of a plus b. a plus b, and call one function with 100 comma 20, right? Undefined comma 20, it's better. Undefined comma 20, and just write the parameters a comma b. Yes, you can copy this function and paste it on the 20th line. Just paste all the 4 lines.
All the 4 lines.
Yes, yes. Okay, just keep the space after the one function call. Yes, yes, there. Okay, write function one instead of one, write two, and add function calling as well. Instead of undefined, write null. And in the first function parameters, write a equals to 5 and b equals to 7, and similar with two function. Yes, and tell me the output. What will be output in both the cases?
A equals to 5. So in function 1, we are initializing the A equals to 5, B equals to 7. Console dot log of. Yeah.
Output will be 12. Okay.
So I'm just guessing right now.
Okay,
It's
so
not
you
my
are not
final
sure?
answer. No, it's
Okay,
not my
okay,
final answer,
okay,
but
okay, okay. Okay, fine, got it. You can take your time.
equals to 5, B equals to 7. So in the case of B plus B console dot log is B. So this is my final output.
Okay, 20 and 25. Can you tell me why?
25. Sir, I have guessed the output as in case of 25. Like first we have initialized the A and B as 5 and 7.
Okay, in the
So
parameters. Okay,
in the parameters, so A will be assigned as the 5 and B will be assigned as the 7. So 5 plus 7 in the console.log. But when we are calling the function 1, the undefined comma 20. So undefined will not replace the initialization, and
why?
the uh, so I'm just guessing, I do not have a specific idea about the concept.
Okay,
Yes. Um, I have not seen such type of questions before.
Okay, so you are not sure you want to.
Yes, and B will be reinitialized with the 20, and so 20 plus 5 equals to 25.
Okay, okay. 20 and 5.
And
Okay.
yes, and in the function 2, null will replace the 5 as we are
Null
yes,
will replace, but undefined won't.
find.
That's what you are telling, right?
No, sir, I have no idea about this.
Okay. See, output is right.
Okay,
So you
so
don't know why undefined.
sir, I know, but I'm not able to explain you.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. No worries.
Yes.
Okay, you can comment or remove this out.
So can you please like help me out with some explanation, short
Yeah.
explanation?
Okay, so undefined, it is not a manually defined
Yes,
value.
exactly.
So that's why
Yes.
it is not taking that value. Whereas null,
Yes.
it is a manual value.
Yes, that is what I was trying to say.
Okay, okay.
But
You were
not
able
explain.
to say null and undefined difference, right? So you should.
Yes.
Okay, fine. No worries. Okay, you can comment this out. Write sum, where sum is equals to 100 plus score, 100 plus score. And on the next line, write where score is equals to 500. And on the next line, write console log of score, a sum, console log of sum. What will be the output?
So 100 plus undefined.
100 plus undefined.
Yes.
So what will be the output?
Hmm. So 100 plus undefined is the output.
100 plus undefined is the output.
Wait, 100 undefined.
100 undefined. It will
Yes.
concatenate.
Yes.
If you add a value with undefined, so it will be concatenating. Are you sure on this?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, okay. It's better. Okay, you can comment this out and I will tell you. Right on the next line, right? You comment this out. On next line, right? Console log of, right? 100 plus undefined. And you told me 100 undefined. We will receive the output, right?
100 plus, and that is a number, plus undefined is
I'm just asking.
a empty value. Undefined is an empty value. So would maybe convert it, try to convert undefined into a number. So
Undefined
100
is
plus,
converted into a number.
so maybe because we are concatenating here and um,
So you told me, right?
like there's
A number when it is added with undefined, it will get concatenated. So that's why I'm asking what will be the value.
so
100
100
undefined.
will be the output
100 will be the output.
because there's a concept called as coercion. So
Okay.
undefined maybe courses to
0.
uh, so
So if we add 100, firstly you told me concatenation. So is that right or wrong? Firstly. And if it is correct, tell me. If it is wrong, tell me the correct output.
100 plus undefined. No, sir, that was not correct.
Are you
100
sure
plus
it is not
undefined.
correct? Are you sure it is not correct? I'm just asking.
100 plus undefined. Or concatenation. Because it is not a string, so
It's fine if it is wrong. It's not an issue.
undefined is not a string, or neither 100 is a string. So it must not be
Hun-
concatenate.
100 is a value, right?
Yes, 100 is a number and undefined is not a string, so there must not be concatenation.
So concatenation, when happens concatenation?
So when, like, um, so in case of one value is a string, like a string of 1 plus number 1, so there will be the output as 11. So one value should be string.
Okay. So now what will be the value? Just if it is wrong, that's fine. Not an issue.
So undefined will
If you
be
don't know, that's fine.
closest to the zero. So 100 will be my final output. 100
Okay, run this.
must not a number.
Okay. So undefined is not a fixed value. So if it is not a fixed value, if you add anything or do anything, it will be not a number. Okay. Okay, fine. You
So
can
yes,
yeah.
yes, okay.
Okay, now remove that comment, the above three statement. Now tell me what will be the output.
Not a number.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, fine.
So I have guessed this not a number somewhere inside my mind, but I
Okay,
have not told
okay,
this.
okay. No worries. Okay, right. Remove where?
From both the
No,
statements.
no, no. From the 26th line. Tell me the output.
Score equals to 500.
We have seen this concept, so you should be able to answer.
Yes. Mm, Score equals to 500. Score cannot be accessed, so it must be given an error.
It must be given an error.
Yes.
Yes, what will be the error?
So that uh,
We have seen the
same
concept.
reference error will get.
Yes, yes. Okay,
So
can you tell me console log of string of 2 minus string of 2? What will be the output?
should I write?
If you can tell me directly, or if you want to write whatever you are
Okay.
comfortable with. Console log of
String of two.
string of 2 minus string of 2.
Um, so it will give not a number.
It will give not a number. Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
Why is it so?
Uh, so because
If we write plus, what would
we
have
are
happened?
subtracting, so the coercion will happen
Coercion will
in
happen if
case
we
of.
write plus.
Yes, sir.
And what
Uh,
will be the output?
no, 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 no. Wait, wait. No coercion has happened, but in case of plus, we'll get the output as 22.
22.
Concatenation will
Okay,
happen.
concatenation will happen. Okay, that's fine.
Yes.
Now here minus.
Uh, yeah. So I'm not sure in case of minus coercion will happen or not.
So
Coercion.
what will happen? Any idea?
So we are subtracting string from a string.
Yes.
So not a number will must be the output.
Okay, run this.
Okay, coercion happens.
Okay, fine. We'll move to HTML. Uh, can you
Okay.
tell me what are void elements in HTML?
Um, so void elements basically refers to elements that does not have the closing tag. So example image tag, input tag, and br, hr.
What are empty tags then?
So both refers to same.
Are you sure on this?
Yes.
Can you tell me the types of lists in HTML?
So there are basically three types of list: ordered list, unordered list, and descriptive list.
What descriptive list is about?
So suppose we have um, yes, yes. Suppose if we have to write something like some description about something, like it does contain a caption tag also.
Okay, fine. There is a DT tag in
What's a
description list.
yes sir DT tag.
DT tag. So what does that define?
Um, Sir, I actually have do not have the deep knowledge about the
Okay, fine,
descriptive
fine,
list.
fine. No worries then.
Yes,
Fine.
I have not used much.
Okay, fine, fine. Can you tell me there is a data list tag? Have you used data list tag, select tag? No.
Sir, these are used in like drop downs.
So do you know the difference between them, data list and select tag?
So select tag is like deprecated maybe and
Are you
not
sure?
deprecated, but it is used in the older versions of the HTML, and in the current time we are using the DL tag for
Mhm.
the drop downs.
Okay, fine. If we want to club two or more columns or two or more rows in the HTML table, how will you do this?
Um, so we can use call span and row span for that.
Okay, okay. Uh, can you tell me the layout of HTML?
Okay. So firstly, there is a doc type HTML and then head tag, body tag. Inside that, in head tag we have some link tags,
Okay,
and inside the body tag we have the elements h1, h2, and div.
okay,
Those are the elements we include in body tag, and the yes.
okay. Can you tell me the difference between HTML and XHTML?
Um, so HTML is a hypertext, but extensible hypertext markup language. Sir, no idea
Okay,
actually.
no worries. No worries. There is a EM tag and there is a I tag. So can you tell me the
Uh,
difference between them?
Sir, EM tag is a emphasize tag, and
Yes.
I tag is a italic tag which is used in the font, which is used to manipulate the font style. Like to um, sir, I didn't don't know about more much about the emphasize, but
Okay. So what emphasize? Okay, you told me emphasize. Okay, you haven't used it.
no, sir, not exactly.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay. Tell me one last question of HTML. What is fig caption? Do you know about
What is
fig caption tag?
fake caption?
Fig FIG caption tag in HTML.
Fig caption. Uh, so fig caption is used in terms of image and its description.
Okay.
In the figure, we can include the image, and in the caption, we can use for the description for that image.
Okay, there is a required attribute. Can you tell me what it is?
Required attribute in HTML is, sir, it is used in the form,
Yes.
under the form tags for the validations.
Okay. So for any
Yes.
examples?
So example, we can like suppose if we have a label and a input as of label as first name, and then we have input for that first name, we can write the required attribute inside the input tag, and then whenever we click the submit without filling the first name, it will give us the error as required field is required.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll move to CSS. Can you tell me what are attribute selectors?
So there is a ID selector, class selector, universal selector, and there are much more selectors like there's a sibling selectors like that.
Okay. So you told me few selectors, right? So
Yes.
can you tell me the priority order?
So first priorities goes to the ID and then class, and then the um, tag name, and then it like tag. After that, uh, so ID, class, tag, universal. Then this is the priority.
Okay. Okay, fine. So can you tell me how can we add gradients in CSS? Any idea?
So using linear gradient, we
Okay.
can inside that we can specify the color and the percentage it will take on the screen like that. I
Okay.
have not used it, but I do have a idea.
Okay. Okay. You haven't used.
No,
Okay. Okay. Tell me what is keyframes?
keyframes.
Have you used keyframes?
Sir, no,
Okay.
no, I have not
No.
used, but
No.
it is
Yeah.
used in animations.
Okay. Okay. It is.
It is used in animations that contains the 0 to 100% of um, 0 to 100% of something, like if we are creating a loading animation,
Okay.
so 0 to 100% we have to move something, so we'll specify the range
Okay.
and the property we have to apply.
Okay. Fine. Tell me the difference between flexbox and grid.
uh, so, so both are used, flexbox and grid. So both are used to align the elements on the screen,
Okay.
like how they can be aligned on the screen.
Okay.
And, so no idea about the difference.
Okay. 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 Akshat, that's it for the interview. Any
Okay.
queries, any concerns you have, you can ask.